Hi, my name is Pallavi Krishna. I'm a technical program manager working in the application security team in Amazon, India, based out of Bangalore.
Hey, I'm Shahir Sudhir. I'm an offensive security engineer at Amazon, based out of Barcelona, Spain.
The inspiration to host a global CTF competition came from the goal that we wanted to strengthen collaboration with the broader security researcher community. We wanted to collaborate and build a stronger connected cybersecurity ecosystem and also provide a platform for external researchers to showcase their skills on real world cybersecurity scenarios. Within the 48 hours, we got around 1,000 applications. And by the end of registration window, we had 1,500 applicants across the globe. The interest was overwhelming for us.
So we work with hackathons to create a Jeopardy-style CTF with challenges across web security, with code review, AI security, cloud. What this event made it unique, the quality of AppSec challenges we put through and the chance for the top performers of advance to the region finals where they could meet Amazon security leaders.
It was really great to see that the top three winners were all in the same room. They had great time and they had wonderful things to share about their experience.
Watching the real-time leaderboard during the phase one was so exciting. Seeing people solving the challenges, competing each other, the leaderboard was like changes very quickly, and some of them climbing the rankings from all over the world. In the finals, having a hybrid format across 3 Amazon offices simultaneously was pretty special.
Initiatives like this play a very crucial role in cybersecurity readiness in organizations. It goes beyond theory into continuous learning and hands-on experience. And as cybersecurity threats evolve, managing effectively the human components and the automation of it becomes very crucial. And events like this are core in driving us towards that future.
We did achieve our goals with this competition. We engaged the community in a meaningful way and created a great connection with talented researchers. The participation numbers were strong, and the feedback confirmed that people got real value from the event.